Once your account is set up, explore your personalized dashboard to monitor your investments and activities. Visit KYC, Know Your Customer. Complete the KYC process to verify your identity and comply with regulatory standards. Choose date of birth. Enter your city. Enter your street address. Enter your building details. Enter your zip code. Upload government ID. Upload a valid government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license for identity verification. Upload proof of address. Submit a recent utility bill or cell phone bill as proof of address for KYC verification purposes.